All right, let's look at bisecting angles now. This is a very similar process to bisecting a line segment that we did before. Okay, so I'm going to take my compass and I'm going to open it so that it's wide, but it still fits in my angle so that when I create an arc, it's able to cross both sides. If I had it open too much, it wouldn't cross the sides and it would be kind of useless. We want to make sure that it is closed enough that it will cross both sides when we make an arc. So that's the first step here. We're going to make an arc on our angle. And if you remember, bisects means it's basically cutting something in half. Okay. So now I have an arc that crosses both sides of my angle. Now I'm actually going to close this a little bit. Now this is very similar to your line segment. Now that we have an arc, so this is exactly the same distance from our vertex as this is, we want to open our compass so that it's a little bit more than halfway across the arc. So going from this point, I'm going to make a marking, make an arc here. I'm going to keep the same measurement on my compass. I'm going to bring it over here and make another marking. Now where they cross is equal distance from both sides of our angle. So now we can connect the vertex with the cross that we created with our arcs. Okay, like that. So let's give this a name so we can discuss it. We'll call this A, B, C, and we'll put a D in the middle there, okay? So this is cutting, the ray BD is cutting our angle in half, okay? So this angle right here, ABD, is half the measurement of the whole angle ABC. We can also say that angle ABD is congruent to angle CBD. All right, so that's bisecting angles. Same thing as everything else. I recommend doing the next 3 for practice, saving the 5th square for the beginning of class tomorrow, and the 6th square for when you are studying for your test.